If you're selling digital products on Shopify, by just sending a raw file link in a confirmation email, you're basically leaving your front door wide open. Most people don't realize how easy it is for a single PDF or software zip file to end up on a public forum or shared across a group chat of 100 people. Hey guys, it's Evan, and today we're looking at how serious digital sellers lock down their IP, prevent unauthorized sharing, and move from sending files to running a secure digital powerhouse. The biggest mistake is using a generic delivery system. When a link has no expiration date and no download limit, it lives forever. One customer buys it and 10 of their friends download it from the same URL. That's leaked revenue. This is why we built PayDrop, to give Shopify merchants granular control over every single byte they sell. We'll get into the full setup in a minute, but first, you need to understand the 3 layers of digital security. The first layer of protection is setting a link expiration timer. If your download link is valid for 6 months, that's 6 months of opportunity for someone to accidentally post it on Reddit. High-level sellers set link expiration dates. Maybe it's 24 hours, maybe it's a week, but it shouldn't be forever. By putting a timer on the access, you've already cut your piracy risk in half. Secondly, beyond time, you need a hard cap on download attempts. Most customers only need to download a file once or twice. If you see an IP address hitting a download link 15 times in 2 hours, that's a red flag that the link has been shared. Setting a max download limit, say 3 to 5 attempts, protects your bandwidth and your profit margins. Lastly, if you're selling software, templates, or premium guides, a file isn't enough. You need a license key. This is the difference between a hobbyist and a professional. You want a system that generates a unique key for every buyer, allows you to set activation limits, and lets you revoke access if a refund is issued or a chargeback occurs. This stops the buy once, share everywhere model dead in its tracks. This level of security is exactly why we developed PayDrop. It's our dedicated digital downloads and licensing app for Shopify. PayDrop doesn't just send a file, it automates the entire fulfillment process. It generates unique license keys, handles recurring subscriptions for digital content, and provides your customers with a professional self-service portal. Instead of emailing you for a lost link, they log in, see their history, and re-download securely. You get a comprehensive merchant dashboard to track every activation and sale in real time. It turns your store into a professional software or content house without you having to touch a single send button. Your intellectual property is your most valuable asset. Don't treat it like a freebie. If you're ready to lock down your digital products and start scaling with automation, go find PayDrop on the Shopify App Store. We've built it to handle everything from $5 PDFs to high-ticket software. If this helped you rethink your digital strategy, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. I'm Evan from the Shop Ninjas, and I'll see you in the next one.